Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking Lemon8 monetization. So are you a Lemon8 creator wondering how to turn your content into cash? In this video I'll guide you through the exact steps. So Lemon8, a lifestyle and creativity focused platform by ByteDance, is growing fast, whether you're into fashion, travel or wellness. There are ways to make money while sharing your passion. First things first, build a compelling profile. High-quality posts and consistent themes attract followers. Aim to post daily and use trending hashtags to increase visibility. After that, you need to partner with brands. They are actively looking for influencers on Lemon8. Start by reaching out to smaller businesses that match your niche. Showcase how your audience aligns with their target customers. After that, affiliate marketing. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. Share product links in your Lemon8 posts and earn a commission when your followers make a purchase. After that, keep an eye out for Lemon8's potential creator programs similar to TikTok's Creator Fund. ByteDance often supports creators on their platforms. Lastly, use Lemon8 to promote your own services or products. For example, sell an ebook, offer coaching, or launch your merch. Monetizing on Lemon8 is all about creativity and strategy. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. For more tips, hit subscribe and check the link in the description. Thank you for watching.